What is up, internet? We are getting it on the Grom. I've been working on my sensor, and I broke another screen. So I have the box fully printed. All the components are there. I just got to order a new screen again. And this time I'm not going to try shoving it in the breadboard. I'm just going to get one without headers and wire the solder the wires on myself. Another beautiful day. I never get tired of saying that. So I wasn't able to use the integrated IMU just because it's so sensitive to vibration. So I ended up using one designed for drones, BNO 085, and it should give me some more accurate lean readings under acceleration. Busy day on 28, I guess. We got minis in Appalachia coming up on the 3rd and 4th of October on the Calderwood Lake side of the Dragon. Gonna be cookouts and lots of gromlins. We're gonna have a real good time, I think. Oh, pizza box. US 28 is like the last place that you want to see a Florida plate. Just in case you missed it in my earlier videos, this speedometer is wrong. I changed the gearing and I didn't install a speedo healer, so it thinks it's going a lot faster than it is. Yeah, boy, this is the best spot right here. Just figure eight, almost. This is what I meant. These Pirellis just grip. So I just went down Cherohala Skyway and the Dragon with some family, and we were having a debate on which one's better. You know, the Cherohala, you can go like 60, 70 around these wide sweeping curves, and then the Dragon has much sharper curves like this, back to back. So you're going anywhere between 10 miles an hour and 50 miles an hour. I guess it just depends on what you're in the mood for. The Dragon just requires a lot of attention and concentration, so it's very draining. Cherohala is more like sit back, relax, enjoy the views. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Or if there's something else we should do, like back of the Dragon or the Reaper. Found the software to overlay the lead angle data onto the video. It's called Dashware. There's a bunch of cool features. You can basically import any CSV type file over video and overlay the data if you have timestamps. So side note, it's kind of funny about the project is I ran out of all my 3D printing colors except pink, because I never use pink. So the prototype's printed in pink right now. Looks stupid. Need to get it like purple or something. Or black. Just get black. And that way it'll match the Ninja too. What do you guys think about this artificial intelligence stuff? I think it's kind of scary. I think apparently it's going to take a lot more jobs than people anticipate, or that they're letting on to. Just, I don't know. Either the future is going to look very bright, or it's going to look very bleak. Customer service jobs could probably be solved with AI. That's a huge, huge industry in the United States. So that's why I'm trying to get all you guys as followers. If you're not already, like, follow, subscribe. I just get out here and talk about random stuff and work on my project. Right now I'm working on a tilt sensor that shows you the lean angle. Alright, I think I'm gonna wrap it up here, guys. I hope y'all have a good week, and hopefully the next video I'll have a working version of my prototype.